If you haven't tried Souvlaki Skewers yet, now's your time to shine. Now that's smart. Meat and tortilla skewers went viral last year. But why did no one think to make Souvlaki style skewers? Grab yourself 12 large tortillas and cut them into squares. Then into a bowl add 1 kilogram of lamb mince, 1 medium red onion that's been finely diced, a cup of tomato paste, half a cup of freshly chopped parsley, 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of finely ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. This may be a good time to glove up and mix the ingredients up thoroughly. Then portion the mince out into 12 even balls, spreading them onto the square cut tortillas, stacking each one on top of the other until all 12 are packed with goodness. Next up, you're going to need some skewers. Do yourself a favour, grab some metal ones because they don't need soaking in water before you use them, they won't burn, and they're reusable. We now need to make this into skewers, so slicing the tortillas into strips first, then laying them all together on their side. Grabbing the first skewer and guiding it through each layer, taking your time. Then just repeat the process with the rest of the skewers. Slicing in between each skewer to be left with these rods of meaty happiness. These can go in the fridge until you are ready to grill them. Now, if your meat rod isn't the same size as mine, that's okay. I'm sure it still does the same job. It's time to make your meat sword moist. Into a pan add 100 grams of unsalted butter, the zest of a lemon, 4 crushed garlic cloves, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Simmer this over a low heat until the butter has melted and then remove from the heat. Let's make a basic garlic sauce because any good souvlaki needs one. Into a bowl add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, the zest and the juice of half a lemon, 3 crushed cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped dill, and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix this up and you are done. If you didn't notice, this recipe has a lot of garlic in it. Now this is easily a 1 beer cook. Today I'm using a Weber Kettle and I'm pairing it up with 2 charcoal baskets, a hot plate, and Heat Beads original briquettes. Now, just give that grill 10 minutes to warm up. We are aiming for a medium heat, unlike my hot wings recipe. Get your skewers out of the fridge before putting them on the barbecue. They won't cook very well. Add some oil to the hot plate. I'm actually using some bacon fat. Then, place the skewers down. After a few minutes, you can carefully turn them over and you will start to see some caramelization. Keep turning them and start basting once you have colour on all the sides. The basting sauce is going to impart an incredible flavour into these souvlaki skewers. Now when you're happy with the colour, the skewers can be removed from the heat. You can also check the internal temp with an instant read thermometer, as these are made up of minced meat and they need to be reading 74 degrees Celsius internally to kill off any bacteria and be safe to eat. Grilling time for this will be around about 10 to 15 minutes. Then all that's left to do is sauce them up and serve them.